Hi, this is Noah at screenprintexchange.com, free classified for screen printing, t-shirt shops, and graphic printing shops. So today I am reviewing this vice grip made by Irwin, 6-inch. It's a convertible, meaning that you can either use interior or exterior snap rings, and it comes with 4 different heads. I lost 3 of them, but it's not lost. I just have to look for something else and I'll find it. And that's how I find things, especially when I don't care about tools I don't like. So, but yeah, I use these on occasion, and I don't know why. I just get frustrated with them. So it'll work for the hobbyists and everything, but I don't like bringing these to people's shops and to repair equipment. So right now this one is for interior, set up for interior. Okay, so you can kind of see it's a little, well, falls off, because if you push down on it, it'll fall off. So that gets me really frustrated all the time with these. So it falls off the hooks. So, okay, so to make it for exterior, it's not that fun to do, but so you can't lose these parts either. Like a spring will fall out and you're like, what do I do now? So yeah, so now you put it on this post instead of that post. This way is, it seems to be less flexible, but it still falls off too. So, but like you can see, so you're trying to get a delicate snap ring out, and it's going wobbling on you. So that's that. What's good about these, I've never broken a tip off. I've broken tips off of this guy. I reviewed this one earlier. It's a Channellock 927. I didn't use it very long. It broke on me because I must have, hands like Hercules, because, I snapped this, there's an interior part I snapped. It's like a little changeover thing, and it broke. So anyhow, this is scrap metal. I might fix it. I might make my own part for it, because I don't like throwing $35 away. And this Irwin is only $17. And I seem to like these Harbor Freight ones better because they're fixed. But, and they're little. Never broke a tip off of these. Lost a spring, but that's my fault, not their fault. And I'm missing one. I think these were like $8. Way better than these $20 ones and this $35 one with all these tips that break. So I'm going to end up buying like a snap-on, and they'll all be fixed like this. And because I have a cylinder that's almost impossible to remove, and these won't do it either. But I've had some great success with these. Do I recommend buying this Irwin? If you have to, buy it. But it's not really. It's for the hobbyist. So anyhow, sometimes you need these little picks as well, and these are Harbor Freight again. Sometimes I use this for scrapping, so I don't mind using inexpensive tools. But when I want to work on machines to fix, you have to buy good tools. So that's the review on this vice grip or Irwin snap ring remover. And like my video and go to screenprintexchange.com, and thank you. Bye.